Because our contractors are very visual. They do not function well reading instructions, as I'm sure many of you agree, most men don't. So they want videos, and they want a visual to put that install, and it works. And so, as Aaron will tell you, which we've always had, as you all know, that our magnetic north is make it easy for the contractor. How do we make their job easier? How do we get them in and out faster? How do we make their day better so they can spend their time either with their family, or they can spend their time making more money? One or the other, their options. But our job is really to make it more painless for them. And that's just another, this is that natural process. Now, Aaron's interested from a skills trade gap. That's what he saw as the industry, and it's real. I mean, there's like a 4 going out, 1 coming in, something like that. And that's real for us too. So then that can start to lend to some constraints in our business and how we do that. And hiring people that may need a video right then and there is a really important thing to have them, to help them with that. In this industry, there are not that many, in most states, like it or not, you have to go to more school to be a beautician than you do to be an HVAC contractor. And that's just a fact of it. So they're not necessarily required to go to through a training like electrician might have to get a license or do any of those things. So a lot of them are more on the job trained, and they're trained through the companies that they work with, or they're self-taught. Maybe they went to a couple semesters at PDC here, or Portland Community PCC, and then they're off printing a business card and going to work. So this actually puts a lot of power in their hands as well to get them to do jobs more correctly. It also opens up an opportunity for us to make sure the install is done right for the homeowner, and thereby look to possibly reduce some warranty exposure, right? Because they'll be able to capture that as well. And they'll start to build on this engine that we've got here is meant to be something that you just continually build on, so they can continue to add content into it, back to us and through us, better training. I did it looked like this. We'll be able to capture a lot more information with them, and then just give them one simple spot really to go to and start to leverage and not keep behind the curtain anymore all of this great content and processes that we've built. And fortunately, they've Aaron and their team give us a really nice shortcut here to kind of, we'll be the first to really change the industry here. I mean, this is going to change how people work. It's equivalent to you getting a mobile phone, right? And how it changed how your day ran. This is equivalent for a technician to be able to go to do the job and have everything in one spot for them, from training to product to substitutions to manuals to wiring diagrams to warranty information and scanning capabilities, all those things in one spot. So this, I didn't think we'd get here for 5 years working on our own, and probably 5 years was probably optimistic. Since they were already on this journey and already built a lot of this and already have their product in the hands of a lot of technicians, this just makes it a lot easier for us to kind of partner with them on their journey. And I think together the both of us can end up making a product that's going to be, it'll change the way a tech works out there and make them much more effective. So really exciting stuff. I mean, I'm more excited about this than when we bought the PIM and we did the PIM and we saw the PIM and I knew what it could do for us. I knew where it was going to take us and where we wanted to go. But I mean, to actually be there, to have an opportunity to kind of, move this along at a much faster rate is super exciting. So I apologize that I probably didn't bring everybody up to speed like maybe we should have and talked about, because I know usually when we do stuff, especially with my stuff, it's a lot more fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun. So I want this to be really fun, because this is gonna do some pretty cool things, and it's the most exciting project I think we've ever worked on here at Johnstone Supply, quite frankly. And as you know, I've been here longer than dirt. So